Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my curry goat recipe, very quick and easy and packed with a lot of flavor. First, I'm adding a tablespoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of the Old Bay seasoning as well, a packet of Maggi season up, and this also contains ginger, some crushed black pepper, then a tablespoon of the curry powder, and as usual, I'm adding my own blend green seasoning for some extra flavor. Now you want to rub that in. Now this looks nice and well seasoned, alright? So now we're going to allow this to marinate. And in the meantime, I'm going to cut up these vegetables and fresh seasoning before I start the cooking. So make sure to wash your ingredients before adding to your food as well. This removes any impurities or chemicals that may be present. You never know. I have some fresh thyme as well. This is very essential. And just like cooking any curry dish, the first thing is always to burn some of the curry in the vegetable oil. And I'm doing this with the garlic and the onion, basically building up the flavor to start. And make sure this is done over medium heat for no more than a minute, stirring constantly until you see the color changes slightly, just like this. So now I'm going to add the goat meat to sear, because you want to allow the natural juices to release and the spices to coat the meat evenly. Here I'm adding some pimento seeds, in other words, allspice berries. Then I'm going to cover this and allow it to sweat for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, stirring constantly to prevent any sticking of the meat inside the pot. After that, I'm going to add some water and bring to a boil and begin the slow cooking process. Then leave this to cook while checking for tenderness until the muscle fibers become tender. So I was lucky to find a nice piece that was very easy to cook, that didn't require a pressure cooker, so it was ready in no time. So I'm checking for the tenderness and this looked perfect. And now it's time for the fresh veggies and the seasoning, since we're almost at the end. Then after I add these, I'm going to cover the pot again so the potatoes and the carrot can cook. And after checking and see that the vegetables are cooked properly, the last thing I do is uncover the pot for a couple more minutes just to allow the sauce to reduce to a thicker consistency. Here, you can also adjust the taste. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.